goddamn dope.
I am.
Yo,
You
here,
worry
Kitty.
about some drugs,
Yo,
no
here,
tires,
I
Kitty.
and
am.
your
I'm
flat.
ready to do one now.
Kitty
What?
dying, y'all.
Yeah,
Detoxing
I'm
like a
ready to do one now.
motherfucker.
I gotta get a tire choke.
You ready to do one? Damn, you over there, motherfucker broke down out of commission.
I'm fucked.
You ain't fucked. I got you.
I need a tire choke and
Right out here.
and a jack, and I take the tire off and I can put me a new tire. But this right here,
I don't care about that.
it's railroad shit. It's federal. I was gonna scrap it, and they's like, oh,
you gonna take it down there?
we can't take it.
Yeah, cause
you better get that out of here.
Cause they knew it was stolen.
No, it's railroad.
Guys, so basically anything like the stop signs, the red lights, anything belonging to the state, you cannot go scrap at the scrapyard, including the fucking railroad. Some kind of way KD got pieces of the fucking railroad in the back of the truck that she was trying to go scrap for another hit, y'all. Unbelievable.